What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are actually going to be unboxing JosLove Polygel. This is a full kit for beginners, and you guys, I think you are really going to love this kit. So for all of my girls who have been entering my giveaways, for all of my girls who are new to this and true to this, and you just really want a fair start, I recommend this kit. I do have a discount code for it, so go ahead and check the description box down below. The discount code will be there along with the link for you to go to the website directly and get this kit. Or I'm not sure if I ordered it on Amazon. If I order on Amazon, whatever the case is, you guys, listen, I got you, okay? But there's a few things I really love about this kit. The size of the polygel tubes is fair. It's not too small, it's not too big. There's a variety of colors, which I really love that. And then it comes with like rhinestone glue or nail art glue, which is super cool. Of course, the top coat, the base coat, the slip solution, which is awesome. And then you get the clips, and you get tons of decorations, you get the nail forms, you get basically every single thing that you need, you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me unbox this a bit, but as we go, you guys are gonna see. Oh yes, let's not forget the dappen dish. Like, literally, if you are a beginner, this kit has everything that you need. One thing that is so annoying is when you don't have like the little things that really matter. For instance, like the dappen dish, right? So here I'm just laying everything out, and I just really love this kit, you guys. Now, this is only an unboxing, so we're going to be trying the product together very soon. I have not tried it yet, but from the swatches, it seems like I'm really going to love it. And I've been considering doing a color blocking set of some sort. So wish me luck. It'll be a first time experience. Here's the polygel brush, and I don't know, not particularly impressed with it, honestly, but hey, it gets the job done. It's just so tiny. I would like to have it a little bigger, just a little bigger. And then of course we have what I consider like a cleanup brush, or maybe they consider it a polygel brush. I'm not sure. I was kind of trying to imagine, but I more think this is like a cleanup brush, which is also super cool because, you know, I think it is too, because when you use those clips, you guys, you have to clean around. Don't even get me started on all of the, like, this is an abundance of fimo for your nail sets. So this is giving encapsulation vibes. The only criticism I would have with this is that the kit doesn't come with a clear, so you can't really encapsulate. So any of the details, or like the decals or the glitters or anything like that, would all have to go on top of the nail. So that was I would say just go ahead and throw in a clear. And with this brand, this kit is so good, I would say throw in a nice size clear in this, and then just charge a little more for the kit, because reasonably priced, super cool, because it has everything you need, except for you don't have the clear to encapsulate or to protect the color, because you don't really want to file into the color. So, but really thought these nail forms were cute and cool. And you guys, wait until we get to the dual forms, another favorite part of this kit, and an answered prayer, because I've been praying for a dual form in particular. And I think, even though I will be doing the color blocking, I am going to do a set with the dual forms from this kit, so you guys stay tuned for that. I'm super excited about it. So I'll probably be doing that set first and then do the color blocking set afterwards. But as you guys can see, I did take the time out to try the nail form. I honestly probably have fat fingers, like no way around it, but probably shouldn't have closed the nail form before I had it fitted onto my finger. It's okay. It's a short length too. This is actually really good for shorter nails. Now, long nail girls, but if you want some short nails, these nail forms are really nice, I will say that. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna get into like my literal favorite part. And again, this is why I say we need the clear, because look at all the glitter. Oh my god, there's even pearls in there, which are so cute, a few stones, but it's just all the holographic glitters for me that are so beautiful. There's so many of them that you can choose so many different things to do. So I imagine, you know, obviously you could use these with top coat or base coat gel and apply them to the top. It's just that, like with those little circle ones, I would love to give an encapsulated look so that they could be kind of like layered on top of each other, not just flat. Again, you can do it with base coat gel, not top coat gel, you guys, base coat gel, but I'm not sure. Anyways, moving on to these dual forms, which are like my next best part of this kit, and the sizes on them are good, so that's nice. You guys are gonna see me using these. They're actually straight, and I would say they're long. I don't know if they're extra long, but they're definitely long. I know some people consider this extra long. I'm so excited about that. So what have you guys thought about this kit so far? Be sure to drop a comment down below and let me know. I love them. They're super cute, and the whole kit, the colors, which you guys have not seen me swatch yet, but the colors, the dual forms, the glitters, the pearls, the rhinestones, the dappen dish, the cleanup brush. I mean, it's just, I cannot. So 2 constructive criticisms. I would definitely upgrade that brush, and then also I would go ahead and add a clear polygel to this kit. But other than that, so far I'm totally digging this kit. I definitely recommend it to all of the girls. If you have joined into one of my giveaways, I have seen you guys using your products, and it is so nice to receive those messages and to see. I know one girl that I gave a giveaway to, she didn't even technically win. What actually ended up happening was that there was another girl who's from another country, and I wasn't able to mail her giveaway to her. And me being my first time doing a giveaway, I didn't even know that someone from another country would even join my giveaway. It never occurred to me. But anyway, so I just ended up ordering her giveaway items from Amazon straight to her. And then there was another girl who really wanted to win, but she had not won. And I was like, I'm going to surprise her and send this to her because she really wanted to win. You guys can see this lamp. I really like it. It's super sturdy, you guys. Do not sleep on this. Like you guys see, I'm telling you, this lamp is nice. And then the button is actually just the whole top. It's just like, there's no real button. The whole top is the button, which I really think that was cool. But anyways, so I ended up sending the giveaway to the girl as a surprise, and I see her doing her nails literally maybe multiple times a week sometimes, or every single week. Every time I get on Instagram, I see she has new nails, and I'm just so proud of her and all of you guys and myself too. So kudos to all of us. Cheers. And definitely recommend this kit. You guys can save a discount on it. I'm going to double confirm what the discount is. I haven't looked. Let me see. But in the meantime, we're going to start swatching out these colors. Let me see. So for this one, we have... hold on. There's a lot of messages here, so... Alright, no. Okay, so a 15% off discount, and the discount code is 15Scorpion. It's valid until July 24th, and there's a link for Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the link down below, and yeah, it's super cute. And you guys know, if you go onto Amazon, you can just type in JosLove Polygel, and you should be able to find, you can really use this on any of their products. Oh wait, it says JosLove Polygel Nail Kit. Okay, so you got to use it on a polygel kit for 15% off until July 24th. Alright you guys, so far we have swatched out coconut and pitaya. Pitaya. I'm sure it's Pitaya, right? Lemon blue is next. And you guys, like I told you, I'm really super excited about these colors. I'm really looking forward to using them. I need you guys to drop some comments down below and let me know nail ideas that come to mind simply off the top. Originally, I was thinking about doing like something that looks similar to a milk bath nail, but with like the glitters, because that's like the only color that I could see myself being able to do like something similar to an encapsulation. But I don't know. And then of course the color blocking set. I know when I use the dual forms, I can probably, I don't know. So that's why I need your guys' help. So comment down below and let me know. We're going to keep swatching out these colors. I'm assuming the purple one was called grape because, and now we got lemon yellow, which is the bomb. I've never actually seen a yellow polygel like this in real life. It's just, I'm a yellow girl. Like yellow and orange are basically two of my ultra favorite colors. They're not my first favorites, but they're like ultra favorites. Alright you guys, so next we have orange, and I honestly have been thinking of doing just like, I just want to do like a super simple set where it's just one solid color, and then I just add a little bit of gaudy nail art on like a couple of the nails or like one of the nails. And I was thinking of doing like a sun, like a super pretty sun, and just having like yellow nails or orange nails. I don't really know exactly, but, and then of course we have red, you guys, which I believe is called strawberry. Okay, but I don't know, these colors, they're giving fire vibes. I could totally see myself doing like a marble with these colors. I'm not a marble girl very much, but how could you not marble together some of these colors? It's just like they're so irresistible. So yeah, this is totally giving ASMR vibes. I need you guys to drop a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are of these colors. I'm gonna go ahead and cure them really quickly. Alright, and here the colors are. They have been cured and they are just so beautiful. You guys can see the consistency is like, it self-levels a bit, you know, it sets a bit, but honestly not a whole lot. It's pretty chill. I just loved it so much. I can't wait to use these. So like I told you guys, please let me know some nail ideas in the comments down below. What would you guys like to see me create with this set? Be sure to remember that you can save 15% on this kit if you shop on Amazon with my discount code, okay? And I love you guys so much. I'll catch you soon in another video. Ahala. Peace.